Hindi lahat ng moisturizing complete for skin barrier repair. Hello there, I'm Chat de Los Santos. I'm a naturopath cosmetic chemist. Minsan, akala natin complete na yung product kapag moisturizing ang claim. Pero moisturizing doesn't always mean barrier repair. But here's the truth. Moisturizing is just one part of the equation. Ang skin barrier mo is a system. Hindi lang siya about adding moisture. Kailangan marunong mag-hold, mag-seal, at mag-support ng structure ng skin mo. So what should you actually look for? First, may ingredients ba that pull water into your skin like glycerin or hyaluronic acid? Second, may ingredients ba that help keep the moisture in like skin-compatible oils, butters, and emollients? And third, may ingredients ba that support your skin barrier structure over time like ceramides, fatty acids like linoleic acid, and even niacinamide that help strengthen the barrier? If hindi kumpleto yan, kahit moisturized ang claim, hindi pa rin fully supported ang skin barrier mo. So don't just ask, nakaka-moisturize ba siya? Ask, complete ba yung support niya for my skin? That's the difference between basic hydration and real skin barrier care. If you want to learn more about this and how to choose the right moisturizing products, join my free webinar, Type Skin Repair, and I'll send you the details.